Wiggle.
Hi, I'm Michael L Penman and we're in the SubBass studio today looking at the brand new Native Instruments keyboard. We're looking at functions which can really speed up your workflow within producing tracks, and now we're going to actually look at the chord function within the keyboard. So let's choose a nice preset to go on. So I'm going to select a new track by using the 4D encoder. I'm going to go to my browser and let's try a pad. And from there, let's choose a pad type. So maybe something quite nice and evolving. And we can use the preset browser to hear the presets prior to loading them. So that's quite nice. It's quite nice and ambient. So before I even load that, I'm going to set it as a favorite. So anytime I want to bring that into another track, it's going to be there. Now that our preset is loaded, let's select the same scale we had before. So I'm going to switch my scale on. I'm going to hold Shift Edit to go to our scale edit function. I'm going to select D minor. In this scale edit, you can actually go in and select the chord function. I'm going to go to Harmonizer and I'm going to select what type. So you've got a basic triad, or you can go to a minor or major seventh. And you can actually also automate that once you've recorded your chords in, or you can do it at the same time if you're a bit more of a confident player. But let's first select a clip to record. I'm going to set this up for 4 bars. So I am just going to hit the encoder down. And now let's practice, try and get something to work with this track. Once you feel ready, you can set it up to record. I'm going to quantize it just to lock it into the grid. And now let's solo this track so we can hear what's going on. So at the moment, it's playing this minor 7th chord. We can actually have this change. So what we're going to do is make sure the automation's selected. We're going to hit record and then play, which will launch the clip. And from there, we've actually adapted the sequence to play different chord types, which really can develop your sound a little bit more. And even more, we can actually go back in and change the root position of each one of these chords. So again, I'll switch record back on. So now we've got a very interesting chord sequence, a little beyond the norm. Maybe let's have a listen to it with the whole track, see that it's working. So I'm going to take it out of solo. I'm going to select the plugin. I'm going to see what's just been macroed here. So we've got some nice filters. So maybe we can record that as automation. So I'm going to set the record on and use the macros. So from there, you can actually develop some really cool, interesting chord sequences. So why don't you jump on your keyboards and start making some cool chords?
Wiggle.